Hello, in front of me I've got Subaru Impreza. In this video I'll show you how to check engine oil level. To check engine oil level in your car, firstly prepare cloth or microfiber and now take a look under the hood. Make sure that the car is staying on the flat surface for at least 15 minutes. It will allow engine oil level to flow down. Now, pull out the dipstick, clean it, put it back, take it out and check engine oil level right here. The engine oil level should be in between L and F. If you find this video helpful, please leave like, comment and subscribe.